last 2 days have been slow on sales. I only made one sale. I'll show you the sale I made. I'm also going to do an unboxing that you haven't seen yet, and stay tuned. Alright, I sold this VCR DVD combo, and I took an offer on this. It was kind of a low offer, but they offered $36.18. Kind of a weird number to offer, but I had it listed for $55. I think if I held out, I probably could have done better, but I'm okay with the quick flip on this. I just got this for $10 the other day, and I'm kind of not making many sales lately, so last couple days this is actually my only sale, so just felt good to get something shipped out. I think I need to win an award for the worst box resize ever. Like, I was just patching holes and stuff. Like, I have this piece here that's just its own piece, and there's tape coming off. It's so bad. I gotta cover this address, but like this side, I don't know, man. Like, and it's that's not square. I don't know. It feels solid though, so I used about a half a roll of tape on this thing. I need a box resizer or something. I know those are a thing you can buy, but I don't understand them. I'll have to look into it. Let me know in the comments what I should get to help with this, or what I need to know. So about a week and a half ago or so, I made that big buy. I paid almost $1,000 for a whole bunch of stuff, and I've done an unboxing of the tools, and I kind of quickly ran through everything I had. One thing that I didn't show at all, though, because I had left it in the car and forgot about it, was another box of stuff, which I'm going to show you now. Okay, here we go. Ta-da! These are not real guns. These are BB guns. Just in case you're wondering. But boy, do they look real, huh? There were, let's see, there's 3 here. There was another one like this that I actually gave my brother. He was super interested in these. So these seem to come with the manuals. And so there's 3 of these. This one has the silver. They're all Daisy and Powerline Model 93. These are CO2. CO2 cartridge goes down here, and then there's like a clip you can put up here of BBs. So, like I said, 3 of those. These are all black. Alright, there's that. And more manuals. This is a whole bag of clips for them. I'll pull up comps as I'm going through this. I don't know off the top of my head, so I can't say it out loud, but more clips. These go, like I said, in the top of the guns. Got a whole bunch of these. These are just BBs. And then these are pellets, I think? Should be. Let's see what they look like. Yep. Now, I don't know if these shoot pellets too or not, but these are something I could probably just sell individually, or maybe lot the 3 of these up and sell them. These are big cartons of CO2 containers. I don't know how old these are, and I don't know if CO2 goes bad. If you know, let me know in the comments. I would like to know that. But I don't see like a date on here or anything, so hopefully they stay good. And then these are just 5 packs of those CO2s. I've got 3 of these. So, yeah, not a whole lot here, but it's kind of interesting. I don't know if nowadays people are more into airsoft than into BB guns, but I guess I'll find out. Alright, thanks for hanging out with me. Let me know in the comments what kind of content you want to see. Sometimes I wonder if I'm doing this right. I don't know what I'm doing.